Hi friends, how are you? This is Harshika. We are going to learn about peacock. Peacock is a very beautiful and colorful bird. It is a symbol of grace, joy, beauty and love. Peacock is a large and majestic bird. Peacock is one of the most beautiful creatures of the earth, which is feathered. Peacock has long blue neck. Its eyes are small. It has a crown on its head. The crown is very attractive. Peacock is the national bird of India. It lives in gardens and forests and hillsides. Peacock eats insects and bugs from the ground. It eats grains, ripe fruits also. Peacocks spread their feathers when dancing in the rain. When they dancing in the rain is beautiful to watch. Peacocks go to live on trees at night. They cannot fly over high. Thank you friends. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.